One of the most powerful earthquakes in modern history has rocked Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula, triggering global cascade of tsunami alerts and putting millions on the edge across the Pacific Rim. At approximately 11:24 p.m. UTC on July 29, a colossal 8.8 magnitude earthquake hit just off Kamchatka's eastern coast. The shallow quake centered about 85 miles east-southeast of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky set off violent shaking and heavy structural damage and unleashed a tsunami with waves up to 4 meters high. Now, thousands of people were urgently evacuated as floodwaters rushed through the coastal neighborhood. Now, the tremors were so intense that tsunami alerts rapidly mushroomed across the Pacific. Russia, Japan, Alaska, Hawaii, and the entire US West Coast issued immediate warnings. Evacuations spanned from Russia far east, where port towns and even kindergartens were damaged, but thankfully no major casualties were reported. To Japan, where over 900,000 residents across 133 municipalities, particularly in Hokkaido and the northeast, were told to move to higher ground. The Japan Meteorological Agency urgently issued an advisory calling people to stay away from the coast immediately. Warnings blared across every major island in Hawaii, urging all residents and tourists to seek higher elevation. The scope was global. Tsunami alerts spread to Alaska, the US West Coast, and as far as British Columbia in Canada. Across Latin America, Mexico, Chile, Ecuador, and Peru braced for waves up to 1 meter. In Asia, China issued a tsunami warning for some provinces, while Taiwan and the Philippines cautioned coastal communities to prepare, though there was no significant impact shown in these areas. While the world leaders reacted swiftly, Russian President Vladimir Putin was briefed by emergency services, while Kamchatka Governor Vladimir Solovyov called the disaster the strongest in decades of tremors, urging calm and continued vigilance. In the United States, President Donald Trump posted on Truth Social, "Stay strong and stay safe," and Hawaii's leadership activated full evacuation protocols. The July 29 Kamchatka earthquake shares the sixth spot for the strongest quake ever measured, tied with the 2010 Chile quake and the 1906 Ecuador event. Let's look at the top quakes that hit the world in the past. In 1960, Chile earthquake of 9.5 magnitude was the worst one, standing at number 1. Second was 9.2 magnitude quake in 1964 in Alaska. Then comes the 2004 earthquake in Indonesia with a magnitude of 9.1. Then the 2011 quake that hit Japan with a magnitude of 9.1. And then comes the Kamchatka earthquake on July 29, 2025 with a magnitude of 8.8, alongside 2010 Chile earthquake and 1906 Ecuador event 8.8 magnitude. While initial reports indicate several injuries and widespread damage, the full toll is still unfolding as aftershocks continue to rattle the region. Authorities warn that further tremors, possibly as strong as magnitude 7.5, could follow in the coming weeks. So stay safe and updated with ET Now as we bring you the latest.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.